Today we're making a 3D flashcard prototype in Figma. Start by making each side of a flashcard. We need 2 frames, one for the front and one for the back. Flip the back frame horizontally. This gives us the flipping animation in the prototype. Now click into the text layer and flip the text back so we can read it. Duplicate the star icon and change its color. Now let's make the flipped version of the card. Duplicate and reorder the frames. Rename them since their positions have now switched. Align each card vertically. Make sure the front layer is on top of the back layer. Create 2 components and rename them to unflipped and flipped. Select both and combine as variants. Now switch to prototype mode and connect them with Smart Animate. Place an instance in a frame and click Present. Now you can flip-flap all day.